G'day guys. Today, unfortunately, I've just got to do a little bit of repair work to my little motorhome. I've just noticed my little step bracket here has just started to rust. So today's little job is getting that off, sanding it back, spraying it with some rust-proof primer and paint, and then reinstalling it. Now before I do anything, I've got to undo these 4 little screws. So I just give them a little touch of WD-40 because I imagine if the bracket's rusted, the little screw behind the screw is also rusted. So I'll just let that sit in for a minute and then I'll undo them. Okay, so I've got my little tin of WD-40. I've also got 3 different types of wire brushes. I did start out trying to undo these screws with my Phillips head screwdriver, but they're a bit tough, so I've gone for the little Ryobi drill. Just check it's going backwards. Yep. So I'll undo these 4 little screws. Oh, put them right in the middle of this ring here. The tape ring so they don't get lost. 2, and there's 2 underneath. 1 and 1 more here. As always, it's a bit tricky working one-handed with the camera. So he just pulls out like this. So I'll just have a little peek inside. Now this appears to be all aluminium, so there's nothing else that's rusting inside here. A little plastic mat and a little plastic there, so it looks like to get that off, I imagine I'll just pull it back. Oh no. Oh, there we go, that comes off a bit easier than expected. So yeah, I'm just going to give this a good sand, front and back, and then spray it with some kill rust paint. Now I'll just get all this flaky paint off with this nice coarse wire brush. And maybe a little bit of extra help with my little flathead screwdriver. And now a bit of sandpaper. So there you go, I've pretty much sanded this back almost to the bare metal in spots, but it's nice and smooth. All the flaky paint's off. So now I'll just give it a bit of a clean, and then I'll give it a bit of a spray. And it looks like it's pretty much just surface rust, just starting to bite in. So I got it early enough. I think if it, as I said before, if I'd left it any longer, it could have been in need of replacing. So I'll just have to keep my eye on this. Just give it a wipe down, get all those little paint dusty particles off it, and now she's ready for a coat of paint. Now lucky for me, when I went to Bunnings I asked for some rust kill and rust paint, and the young girl in the paint section showed me this one. This has got the rust converter, primer and sealer all in one. So one coat does all. Normally you've got to spray primer, which is usually grey, onto the metal first and then paint straight over, but this is 3 in 1, converter, primer and sealer. It was a little bit dearer, but I think it was under $20 for this can, but to have all 3 jobs covered in the one go makes the job quick and easy. Now I'm going to leave it about half an hour in between coats. Make sure one coat's dry before I put the next one on. And being a sunny day, it should the sun should help me get it dry quicker. Now, if I was a fussy bloke, I probably could have put a blanket down, an old blanket down, or some newspaper sheets down so I don't get the black spray paint on the grass. Always spray it upside down after one coat, and that clears the little nozzle out. So that's one coat. I'll probably do about 2 or 3, probably 3 coats. Give it a real good coverage. Okay, second coat. Hold it about 30 centimetres away. Ooh. I'll just do it. There we go, it's second coat done. Okay, so that's now 4 coats either side. Just requiring a little bit of a jiggle just to line things up properly. I really should have put these little screws in a little plastic cup or a little plastic plate. It's a bad habit of mine just to leave things on the ground like this. There we go. It's all back together and free of rust. Check once again that it extends out and clicks. Yep. And then lift up and goes back in and locks. Perfect. Brand new again. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing with others. Any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.